Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here. It's Tuesday afternoon and this is an update on the forecast for the next few days, looking ahead into next week, just to give you some latest thoughts on where we're going. I know where we've got many farmers who watch this who are very interested in haymaking at the moment and wondering how much rainfall is going to get on the crops during the next few days. Cloud causing some problems, I know, so we'll try and focus a little bit on that through the course of this recording. Thanks also to the many farmers who are calling up on the Weather Live service to talk live to weather forecaster between 8 AM and 6 PM each day. The funding that you put into that actually helps fund these videos, so thank you for that. Please do keep on calling. We'll try our best to keep the forecast as accurate as we can for you. So on to the forecast, and here's how things look for this evening. High pressures up to the north, high pressure down to the southwest, low pressure to the east, low pressure to the west, and really the British Isles is in an area in between these two, which is called a col. And that col hangs on really as we get through this evening and into the first part of Wednesday morning. The time, by the way, is up here in the left-hand corner, and these charts are from weatheronline.co.uk. I think it's going to be this southeastern corner that sees some cloud from time to time, and that may well produce one or two spots of drizzle here and there, particularly early on Wednesday morning, but really it's not going to amount to much, and it's going to be fading away quite quickly, I feel, through the course of Wednesday morning. Elsewhere it should be brighter and dry with some sunny spells around. Best of the sunshine always out here towards the west. However, west of Ireland, you can see here we've got this front that's moving in. This is this rainfall here, and notice how through the course of the day during Wednesday that edges its way eastwards, look, through Ireland, eventually getting into the far western Hebrides by the time we get through to the end of Wednesday. You may notice as well some blobs of rain just starting to appear here across southern and southeast England. These are just showers really that are going to be generated over high ground later on in the day on Wednesday, but for the vast majority it looks like being dry and the best sunshine to the west. These showers really are such a low risk. Overnight into Thursday, so this front edges its way eastwards, but look how the ridge of high pressure is building in from the west all the time too. So by Thursday morning many of us are going to be dry. I think some good sunny spells around across much of the country. May just be a little bit of low cloud affecting eastern parts of Essex, Norfolk and Suffolk as well as Kent, but elsewhere dry with some good spells of sunshine. The front moving through Scotland, bringing some outbreaks of rain here, look, particularly through northern and central areas and the southwest of Scotland and eastern Ireland, but to the west getting brighter as this ridge of high pressure moves in. And then during the course of the day on Thursday, the front just edges its way eastwards. It becomes cloudier all the time across northern and western parts of England and Wales, but the front's fragmenting, so it's bringing little more than some patchy spots of rain. Might just be an odd shower in the southeast, but generally this high pressure taking over, and so conditions will become drier. Through Friday the front is across the Wales and more central parts of England, and this really is the remnant. So some cloud across England and Wales and southern Ireland at first on Friday morning, but I do think this is going to be fading away slowly through the course of the day to leave most areas dry under the influence of the area of high pressure. Best of the sunshine for Scotland and northern parts of England. Now notice how the rainfall just gets pepped up a little bit here across southwestern England. This is really in the form of showers, but we need to watch this because Friday could turn quite damp through the southwest and through southern parts of Wales. And then overnight into Saturday we're dry, the front fades away, and for Saturday really we're dry with good spells of sunshine for much of the country. Just a little bit of low cloud perhaps at first across East Anglia and the far southeast. For many though it stays dry and fine, and it stays that way into Sunday too with the ridge of high pressure building in, although during Sunday look what happens. Rain moves into northern and central Scotland and northern parts of Ireland as another weak front just edges its way eastwards during the course of the day. For Monday we've got that front trailing through northern Ireland, through central Scotland, bringing some cloud here, but to the north and to the south it looks like it'll stay dry with some good spells of sunshine, and it should stay that way into Tuesday too. Another front just passing northwards, but this is what I wanted to pick out for you later on Tuesday. Look, this area of low pressure. Now remember I was talking about this breakdown coming through possibly on the 2nd or the 3rd of August. I may be a bit delayed with it, but this may well be the start of that breakdown, a thundery breakdown coming into southern parts of the country. It may be that it actually doesn't get very far, and it may be that it takes a few days to get going, but by Thursday, look, the GFS really goes for it, puts low pressure over the country. Not sure as this is going to be the pattern of things, but what we can take from this is that there is this detection of a change on the way around the 2nd or the 3rd of August. Now if it happens, I know you won't be very happy, but I'll be a happy man because that's what I was predicting from the beginning of July, so we'll wait and C. I'll try and update the long ranges as well during the course of the day, looking ahead to the rest of August and into September. Thanks for watching again. I'm Simon Keeling, and I do appreciate you watching these videos and also giving us a call on Weather Live. Keep the sun shining.